Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm aware it has been a long long time since I came here. I didn't take a break. Actually, I took an would I say unwanted or an unplanned break. So I plan to just take a break from Instagram, and I don't know how YouTube joined the whole community of taking a break, but I just know that it took a break and I just decided to leave it that way. Anyways, I tried to film a video earlier, it didn't work out. I was trying to film this look, but for some reason it didn't work out. Maybe I'll try and film it again because like this looks I look really nice. I'm never going to lie, like I look pink and I'm sure you know what I do. Anyways, for today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about my hair, the whole situation, how I got it done, the hair I used, how much I got it done, where I made it. Just giving you guys information about my hair. As you guys know, I cut my hair recently, so my hair isn't the longest. So when I wanted to make my hair, I had to go to somewhere that I knew could catch my hair and not use excessive gel on my hair, because that's the new rave now. Almost every braider braids with gel, and then they actually don't grip your hair well because the gel has already given them that hard feel, so they feel like they've gripped your hair when they actually didn't do anything. So I had to look for somewhere that was, one, cheap, two, could actually catch my hair without trying to break it, because yes, my hair is short, yes, it can be plaited, but there are some parts in my hair that the person that cuts my hair, if you've not watched the video, please watch the video. The person that cuts my hair cut it too short. So some parts were like let's say this is my hair length, some parts were this short. So I had to find a braider that could braid that short part. And that's what I found. If you want to know who this braider was and where I got it done and how much I got it done and the hair I used, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and everything. So I decided to get my hair braided. I was already looking for hairstyles to do because I knew I wanted to do something black. I didn't want to do colored hair this time around. So I was like, okay, what can I do that is black? And I didn't want to just do regular knotless braids, because regular knotless braids that are black are boring to me. So I went on to find, like, I was watching a video, or I came across this YouTuber Dodos, and then I was like, oh, I like your hair, like I want to do this hair, like it looks so pink. So she posted a video before, like giving us details about her hair. So I was like, oh god, I hope she drops a detail like how she got her hair done, because I actually want to get my hair done like this. And then she finally uploaded the video. I was like, thank you. So when she uploaded the video, I found out that she used like regular braiding extensions, and then she got these curly tips. So I contacted the person that I braid my hair with, like, okay, I want to do this hair, but I want the bottom of my hair to have like a human hair feel. Like, I don't want it to be the curls that you dip into water to make the curls. I wanted it to have like this kind of loose curl kind of thing going on. And then she was like, oh yeah, she has the kind of hair I'm looking for in her salon, so all I need to do is just pay an extra fee to get the hair. And they're like, okay, fine. So that's what I did. So I'm talking too much. I'm just going to break down how much I got the hair. So I'm talking too much, so I'm just going to put like the actual clip of me getting my hair done and with a voiceover, and you guys are going to see how I got my hair done, and then you guys can come back and see my face, and then I'll tell you the other details. Hi guys, so I got my hair done at May's Exquisite Salon in Abuja here, and yeah, I'm just going to take you through the process. So right now she's sectioning my hair. She's cutting it into different sections so that it can be easy for her to make my hair, like braid it easily. So this is just an up close version of her parting my hair into different sections. So right now I'm just showing them and explaining to them how I like the curly part of my hair. There's no big deal for this part. And then this is just how the hair looks. So if you're looking to get something like this is what you're going to show the hairdresser or salon person. So this is an up close of her doing the hair. So right now she's going to be taking the hair from under, basically braiding it like she will do like my regular hair, and then she goes on to add the coily tips at the end. So she adds the coily tips to the end of the hair and then just ties it, like does a small knot on it, and then she leaves the hair. And this is how the back of the hair looks for now. I asked them to show me, so this is how your hair should look like when you're doing it. Then we're going on to the front of the hair where she looks for my parts, my middle part, and she's also sectioning my hair as well. Then the other braider goes on to make my hair. This part of the process was the most painful part of the process. I have no idea. I don't know if it is because they didn't blow out my hair, which is a good thing, but it was so painful. And yeah, I couldn't wait for it to be over. I was squeezing my face throughout this whole process, like you couldn't see here. I was over that whole front part. Like I couldn't wait to leave. They're almost done with my hair at this point, and then the lady is trimming my hair, which is something they do to your braids when they are done. I have no reason why they do this, but they always do it, and I just feel like it makes a difference. I don't know why. So now she's going ahead to put like a hot towel on my hair to lay down the other parts of the hair that she couldn't trim, and she's also using it to go in between the sides of my hair. Then she puts on this styling mousse and then she goes over it with a hairspray once she's done with that. And yeah, that is how my hair looks. This is just a clip of how my hair looks when it's done. As you can see, it's not so full, it's quite scanty, which is what I wanted. And I'm going to see you guys in previous me now. First tip I'll give you about this hair, or let me do pros and cons. Pros, you look nice with the hair, like you don't even need to do too much, like just these 2 strands I left just makes me look like, oh, I didn't care, I just did a messy bun and I look cute. Even though these 2 strands, I thought it out, I brought it out, I had to like look like, oh, I'm doing something messy. Even this one in the front, like give them something like, oh, I'm messy but like still put together. That's the look I was going for. 2, you get compliments because who doesn't love curly tipped hair? 3, I don't know, it's a protective style. The cons, this hair, the curly parts tangles, like forget the tangling of this hair. When you were doing the hair, like I could feel that the hair was going to tangle. Like you could tell that it's not like it's not human hair, it's just like, I think, fiber. So it's obviously going to tangle, especially because it's in braids, so everything is clumped up together. Like now this part is clumped up, so you can't really expect your hair not to tangle. Only if you put water, like you do your water and you do that. And I don't do that every time. I only do it if I'm going out and I want the curls to look nice. If I'm doing just this, I don't need to define my curls. I just need to bring out 3 strands or 4 strands, and the curls look like, oh, she planned it out. See, work smart, not hard. Work smart. I don't know how it goes. So for the hair, I paid 7,000 naira to get the hair done. I know, isn't that cheap? Like, isn't that cheap for knotless braids? I saw a girl on Twitter and she was saying that she wanted to get her hair done, and the girl said 50k. I was reading the tweet, I was like, Why? Why would I pay 50k? Anyways, I spent 7k to braid my hair. The coily hair, I used 2 packs, and each pack cost 8,000 naira, so that's 2,000 naira, so that is 9,000 naira now. And then for the extension itself, I used Lush hair in color 1, and I used 2 packs. I didn't finish the 2 packs, and that's because for this hairstyle, when you go to the salon to tell them to braid it for you, you have to tell them to make it scanty, like not full. It has to look like, you know, this Zoe, I don't know how to pronounce her surname. I'm just going to put her name or her picture so you guys know who I'm talking about. So it's kind of like that kind of braids, but this time is a little bit fuller, but you're still trying to maintain that whole scanty. I didn't want my hair to be heavy kind of look. So you tell them that you want it scanty. What they will do for you is probably cut your hair big. Like in the middle of my hair is cut, it's not cut tiny. But the front part, you can see it looks tiny, the back will look tiny, the sides will look tiny. But the middle, and that's because my hair is full to an extent. That is how much this hair cost me. Where I got it done at Maze Exquisite. I think that's the name. That's where I've been getting my hair braided for, I think, since last year, and they are quite affordable because they always run a discount, which is why I keep on going to them. There's always a discount for them, and that is also a good strategy because the amount of people that go to their store, when I say work smart, not hard. Anyways, that's the name of the salon if you want to go there and you're based in Abuja, because they are based in Abuja. That's the end of this video. I was just being extra at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you saw or you understood what I was explaining while this video was going on, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and turn on the post notification button. I'm tired of begging for 100 subscribers, but like, am I really tired? Like, am I not meant to shamelessly plug myself? So with that being said, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. Alright, I'm done. I hope you guys, also I like my makeup today. Should I film a tutorial? Should I actually film it? It's quite chaotic, so I don't know if I'll film it. It's giving me UK girly bright under eye kind of situation, like wagwan in it. There was no point for that. Okay, bye bye guys, see you in my next video. Bye. What am I doing with my hand? I have no idea. Bye.